So you've heard that Bloom's taxonomy is more effective than active recall and you want to start using it to improve your learning. What should you be doing exactly? That's what we're going to talk about. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 5 ideas on what you can do for each level in Bloom's taxonomy. Level 1 is about remembering. Some of the things that you can do to help you remember are copying notes, describing what you're learning, finding the information, highlighting key points, and memorizing facts. Level 2 is about understanding. That's a step higher than remembering. In order for you to understand the information, you can discuss it with others, explain it to yourself or someone, identify the main points, write on journal, and summarize what you're learning. Level 3 is applying. In order for you to reach this level, you need to get your hands dirty. That means you want to be doing the calculations instead of just watching it. Drawing charts, presenting what you've learned, solving problems, and using the laws, formulas, or concepts. Level 4 is analyzing. Reaching this level requires even more brain power. You'll need to engage your brain to categorize what you're learning, compare between ideas, deconstruct complex ideas into easy to understand chunks, draw mind maps to connect what you're learning, and use questions to guide your learning. Level 5 is evaluating. In order for you to be able to take a stand and support your choice, you can critique, like writing a report on the political system, create your own work, or provide feedback to someone else's work, reflect on your learning, create your own question and test yourself, or validate by proving something is right or wrong. Level 6 is creating. This is the highest level of your mental skills. To reach this level, you want to collaborate with others to create something, design something new, invent, put together a plan, or run simulation on a model you built. Now that you know what you should be doing to reach the desired level in Bloom's taxonomy, you definitely don't want to miss out knowing the common mistakes students do when learning. Learning from others' mistakes can shorten your own learning curve. And that's why you really shouldn't ignore this video here.